If you're running Java in your organization, even just a single install on a server or a PC, Oracle has changed the rules. Now, they expect you to license every single employee in your company, not just the people using Java, everyone, even contractors. Here's what's going on. Oracle scrapped the old licensing model. If you have just one Java runtime, JRE, or Java Development Kit, JDK, installed anywhere, you're pulled into their employee-based subscription model. That means your cost isn't tied to how many devices run Java. It's tied to how many humans work for or with your company. And they don't just count your staff, they count part-timers, contractors, and even outsourced workers. If they touch your systems, they're in the head count. What triggers the license? Security updates. If you're downloading patches, updates, or bug fixes for Java, Oracle says you must pay for a subscription. Skip the updates, and you're exposed. And Oracle will happily use that as leverage during an audit. The impact? A single overlooked Java install can turn into a seven-figure annual bill. CIOs and IT leaders are getting blindsided with audits and backdated fees because they didn't catch this early. So here's the bottom line. Audit your environment. Find every instance of Java. Decide now whether you'll stay with Oracle, switch to OpenJDK, or eliminate Java entirely. But don't wait. Oracle's banking on you being reactive. Don't let them win.